Hello everyone. Today I'm craving for my favorite street food. Something so tasty, so cheesy that you simply can't have just one.
Hey Saif, I heard that and I know exactly what you're talking about. Hello and welcome to the cheesiest episode of Britannia Cheese Star Chef. So why cheesiest? Because Saif's favorite street food has cheese oozing out of it. So today we are going to be making cheesy Vada Pav. So Saif, let's do a quick ingredient checklist.
I love Vada Pav, it's my favorite dish. And I especially want to get the kind of masala seasoning right on this. But let's go, what do we need?
So we'll make a mixture of potatoes with the masalas. There's paneer which is grated right in front of you.
Okay.
We'll add some salt, green chili, coriander, garam masala, thoda sa mango powder, chili powder, coriander powder. We'll mix everything together and that will be our the main potato mix.
Okay.
And inside, to make this Vada Pav your favorite and cheesiest as you love it, we are going to stuff it with lots of cheese.
All right.
So first of all, in this empty bowl, add potatoes, the mashed potatoes that you have. Then we can add paneer.
You know something, this is an amazing way to cook. Like with me here and you there and this kind of, it's very technical and it's cool. I like this. I could get used to this. Now what?
Now you can add a little bit of salt, green chilies. Then we can add all the masalas, red chili powder, garam masala, mango powder and coriander powder. And fresh finely chopped coriander. So basically now the body of the Vada Pav that we are going to prepare is done. It's ready.
Okay.
First of all, we are going to be using the Britannia cheese slices. Britannia sliced cheese is so creamy and so delicious that it gives a divine cheesy taste. And the second cheese that we are using, because it's really cheesy Vada Pav, is the Britannia cheese cube. So you know what you can do is take a cheese cube and wrap this slice like this.
Okay.
And now we'll make the besan flour, you know, that's the top coating of a Vada Pav.
Okay.
So take the empty bowl, take 3 big spoons of besan.
Okay.
Thoda sa namak, lal mirchi powder. So we put a little bit of water first and mix it properly till it turns into a paste, you know. It is like thickish and flowy. Yeah, perfect. You can butter your hands.
Well, I like buttering myself up.
Like buttering. So now you need to take a generous amount of the potato mix in your hand and flatten it a little bit.
Okay.
And then we put this cheese, the cheese slice and the cheese cube. We put it in the center like this, and then you just kind of fold the edges so that everything comes together and the cheese is inside. So now we dip it in the besan batter that we made, lightly coat it, and we need to carefully put it in the hot oil, all right? Now you just need to lightly turn it around so it cooks from the other side as well. So mine is done, I'm taking it out.
Now what?
Now we will assemble this cheesy Vada Pav. So do you have pav in front of you?
Yes.
So you can cut it into half. Just put some butter on your pav. Is there green chutney in front of you?
Yes.
And now vada that you fried. Here you go.
It's amazing.
Yeah, well done, amazing. It looks great, yeah. But I'm sure, Saif, that after this, you're not going to go to the street to have street food. Now you know how to make this cheesiest Vada Pav at home, isn't it?
The best thing to do is to learn how to make street food at home.
Yeah.
I agree.
Yeah.
And I think, you know, I know how to cook some things. I'm making a repertoire, and Vada Pav is a very important part of it. Thank you, Chef Shipra.
You're welcome.
If you have more such interesting recipes that are your own to share, send it to us, and the ones we love the most will be featured on the show. And it's time for you to know the winner of Britannia Cheese Star Chef. Stay tuned. Goodbye till next week. Till then, keep cooking with the best.